Do you know Devin? It is the first AI software engineer. Nowadays, all the software engineers around the world, they are afraid of this Devin, that they are thinking that maybe this Devin will get their jobs or they will lose their job because of this Devin, okay? Because it is an AI software engineer and it doesn't have any kind of feeling or anything. So it can do a lot of work and it can do jobs of software engineer. So now in this video, let's go and build a Python program that generate some jokes about this Devin, okay? The first AI software engineer. Let's go and run the program, see the output of this program. So when I run the program, it is telling me that welcome to Devin joke generator. Here is your joke. What's Devin's favorite programming language? Python, because it is blah blah blah, okay? And if I run it again, this time it gives me another one. Why did Devin get stuck in a loop? It couldn't break out of its debugging session. For creating this project, I'm going to use random modules. So I will just import it. It is called random, okay? And within here, I'm going to type a list of jokes about Devin, okay? So here it is. We have list of jokes about Devin, this AI software engineer. So now let's go create a function. I'm going to name this generate joke. This function generate joke, it asks for one argument, and that is Devin name. Whenever we call this function, we need to provide a name for this. And for me, it's going to be Devin. Okay, I will provide it as Devin. And then we have a joke template. This is template of the joke. Okay, it is a list. So we will randomly select a joke from this list. Okay, so this is jokes, and that is right here. And then it will return a name of that Devin. Okay, it's about a joke. It will grab randomly a joke, okay, and then we format it with this. Right now you see we have a placeholder in each of this joke, Devin and again Devin, okay? So those will be replaced with a name when we use it, okay, when we type the name in the main function. This main function is responsible for getting the name, which is Devin here, and printing a message, welcome to the Devin joke generator. And also it will print here is your joke, and then it will print that joke for me, and also name of the Devin. So Devin right now it is Devin, or maybe you can change it about ChatGPT or some other AI platform, but for me right now it is Devin. And then it will print the joke for me. So now let's run it. Name equal to main, then we call the function main. This is the function that we have it, okay? That is called main. So now it is time to run or execute the program. Welcome to the Devin joke generator. Here is your joke. What's Devin's favorite programming language? Python. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe the channel, and I will see you in the next video.